Welcome to Stickman Vinyl Sticker Guide Series. Here's what's in your pack. To prepare your stickers, cut the stickers individually and trim as closely to the colored stickers as possible. To begin, attach a strip of masking tape across the middle of the rim to mark the starting point for both sides of the rim lip. Do note that the solid end of the stickers are the front, and the striped end are the tails of the strip. This will match the rolling direction of the tires. Start by peeling 1 inch off the sticker. Be careful not to remove too much of the backing paper. Align the bottom of the sticker strip with the edge of the rim lip, according to your marked tape. Then lightly affix the sticker in. If you make a mistake with the alignment, carefully remove the sticker and realign. Then, use a cloth to firmly press the sticker in. And use a squiggy to further set it. Next, carefully remove the transfer tape. For the next strip, estimate a 2 mm overlap. For the opposite side of the rim, begin here. Repeat the steps from the beginning to attach the following strips.